Hello and welcome to my Disneyland California Lolita Day video. This has probably been my most fun to edit video. I got to wear my dream dress as well, so it was definitely a great day. I went to go for like an OTT alien look. I love this dress so much. Eden went for a cute Mad Hatter look, which I absolutely adored so much. So much. This is actually not from Disneyland Lolita Day, these little clips here, but we went to Disney Village earlier on in the week and wanted to just film a little bit just before the main chaos. Also, these mystery pin packs, I have been so excited to finally get my hands on some, and Eden got exactly what they wanted. I love it. I absolutely died over all the spooky theming, by the way. Like, there's nothing better than seasonal Disney. And you can watch my Disney Paris videos from a couple of years ago and I'll probably say the same things. Like, Christmas or Halloween, just so good.
Say hi.
These were so cute and they did not pick up well on camera, but down Main Street they had the cutest little like window displays of different characters doing things, and if you watch them for a while you actually saw like the displays move even more and they changed and all sorts. I cried because Toy Story and Princess and the Frog were right next to each other, and if that's not me, I don't know what is.
Hi, this is live video.
A bit of Main Street. We got a lot of really wobbly footage of Main Street.
There's a space ride, I forgot its name here.
So once we'd finally navigated to it, we went to badge pickup for Disneyland Lolita Day. I took one whole selfie. This was so cute. This is Fantasyland at California. I love that Dumbo and the carousel are so near to each other, and something so magical happened with the carousel. It made me cry.
There's Mary Poppins and the band on the carousel.
And yet, Mary, there she is, the icon. I cried a little bit. Fantasyland is just so pretty, okay? And I could live there quite happily forever. Yes, we did queue to meet Minnie. This was very important.
I'm just taking a video.
See how cute Eden's cord is? And yeah, all of my mini photos turned out really disappointing. We then went on to meet Pluto. At this point I think I was about to change shoes. So in fact, a regular choice are not comfortable, but we had to meet Pluto first. See, look, Eden's cord, very cute. Please send them validation on Instagram. They are at SaltyMadLoli. Thank you. Sorry Eden, if you are watching this, I had to include this photo because it's one of my favourites from the entire trip. Okay, so one of my favourite things about California is how the characters do walk around meet and greets. This does not happen at Paris. And yeah, we met Captain Jack Sparrow and it was a great experience. Now, not a character meet and greet, but I finally met Ali. Me and Ali have been friends for about 3 years now, and I love her so much. She got this really cute photo of me. As you can see, I have changed into some sinful Converse, but oh, it was just so wholesome. I also met Facilio from Princess and the Frog. I was so excited. This was really cool. This was a marching band and they were from a high school and they were on tour, and I spoke to some of them earlier in the day because they all had matching t-shirts. It's just so cute and I've never seen anything like this. So just so you know, Corellis asked me earlier in the day and that stuck with me forever. So we got given a very important job of providing the most accurate wait time, and that ride then got closed for the day. We also got to meet Tigger, Eeyore and Pooh, and it was a good wholesome experience. Apart from when my head got devoured by Tigger. We don't really know what happened there, but RIP my head, I guess. Just love how, like, really snooty I look. I was trying to look sad. Eeyore wouldn't even hug us. We told Pooh that he looked really nice, and because he signalled that we looked really nice, and he got embarrassed, and he got shy, and I love Pooh Bear, and I would do anything for him. Look at him! We love him! Ah, a Maleficent caramel apple. Need I say more? Oh, the Star Wars section of California was so good. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan myself, I enjoy it, but it's not like my thing. But oh my gosh, the theming, the branding, the decoration, it was perfect, and everything even I, as a very casual Star Wars fan, could have ever imagined. It was so cool and so different from the rest of the park. We finally took the long-awaited time to ride the Teacups. We'd somehow managed to avoid doing this all day, but Teacups, absolute necessity, as you can probably guess.
Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quite mad. To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside while your teacup is spinning. And please do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster
I'd been desperate to go on It's a Small World all day, so I also love how California's It's a Small World is like really pale pastel, verging on just shades of off-white, whereas Paris, is like, would you like some pastels, good sir? It's really interesting. I had a Mickey pretzel, that's all I have to say. Okay, Astro Blasters, had to do it, loved it, became a bit of a meme of myself.
Just thinking about the lads. Love you lads.
Oh, I do love a good Disney shot at night. some reason these are in the wrong place and they're staying there because I've done the narration now. There we go, we're back to Astroblasters. Yeah, I took way more selfies than anyone's going to see.
Our mission is to find his robot and his secret
We're
weapon is
hearing
flash.
Buzz not again.
Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond. Stand by.
Welcome to the world's grainiest ride photo. But my favourite thing is how our hats are on opposing sides to each other. Also, yeah, I have no chill when it comes to light up alien things. Also, I regret not getting this so much. And you big spooky pumpkin. So we have Phantasmic, which is the night show. I've kept in highlights and I haven't included the Halloween show just because it was so long. Have fun.
will deal with me and all the powers of my imagination!
So I hope you enjoyed that. I remembered to include the big group photo at the castle. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you real soon!